Well, I'm just gonna stop filming. I'm just gonna come in and interfere. Hey,
You gotta do it like really
who are
epically
you?
though.
Do I?
Yeah, like,
Oh,
hey,
yeah. I don't.
MTV, welcome to my crib.
Someone else will have to do it. Really,
Aw.
someone else will have to do the epic behaviour.
I can't be hyped right now.
About you,
I'm
Louis.
I'm too enthralled.
Enthralled in what?
Can you
Someone
be,
has to be
though?
the hype fucking
Or we could just do a
host.
Gluckcast with this face of Octo as a background. Talk about, oh my god, it's International Women's Day. You know what that means?
No.
You know that means all the women have to go to Burger King.
Hello, I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Bryn's there too, of course.
No.
Well, he's leading it all.
Oh shit, I said the B word. I'm not meant to.
I wonder if he's gonna stream today about it. I wonder,
I doubt
I-
it.
like, for
Well,
He's
I
too
mean,
scared.
who
favourite
knows?
women.
What is that, Louis?
What do you think about women's
Animation.
rights, Leia?
They shouldn't
I
have
think fuck 'em.
Yeah, right?
I don't
Fuck
want
women.
rights.
Get back in the
It's too
Burger
much of
King
a.
kitchen.
It's too much of a hassle to have rights. I
Yeah,
think
and I'm not a woman anyway, so why should I?
I'm
care?
not a woman anyway, so
Yeah, it's a little bit out of your,
Out of my
your field of
expertise.
expertise.
You know,
Fred. I
I'll just
think,
have this Minecraft server.
yeah, just in case any woman might, want
Yeah.
a nice chill time
Though I
away from.
expect not, because they'll be too busy in the Burger King kitchen.
Yeah, you're correct actually.
Working, they are getting paid something.
Well, I don't know if women should be paid really.
Well, no,
It
just
should
like
be-
a little bit to shut them up,
housewife.
It's not as much as a man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, yeah.
yeah, that's the only way.
Because men at Burger King do, I don't know,
More
important
work.
jobs.
That's
They do
better.
more. They cook better.
They
That's the thing.
they do the taxes.
They know how to handle some meat.
Yeah.
Well.
The women just
No.
clean the Coca-Cola freestyle machines.
Yeah,
Which is
yeah.
good
The
work.
thing is, men cook better because the Swedish word for cook is cock.
Oh, yeah. That's a good one.
So you
So,
can do cooking later.
are you-
Kevin.
yeah, you think it's fair to say
So you can-
Swedish
you're-
people hate women?
So yeah,